Hello everyone. So we have this very interesting question of geometry. Let's see how to solve this. In this question, we are given two circles. The big circle is having the center A. This is the center, and the small circle is having the center B. Okay. And apart from this, it is given that DC is 12. DC is nothing but diameter of the bigger circle. Correct. So what do we need to find out? We need to find the value of DE. Okay. We need to find the value of DE. Let's see how to find this. Let's note down few important things. So DC is nothing but diameter and it is given as 12. This is diameter of large circle, correct? Now let's look at AC. What is AC? AC will be radius. AC will be radius of large circle, correct? And that's why it will turn out to be 6. It will turn out to be 6 because diameter is 12, so radius will turn out to be 6. But please understand, AC is also like the diameter of small circle. Yes. Why? Because AC, AC is passing through B. What is B? B is the center of the small circle. That's why AC is also acting as a diameter of small circle. So let me write it down here. It is small circle. Okay. So the diameter of small circle is 6. If diameter of small circle is 6, what will be radius? Radius I can take it as BC. BC is radius of small circle. Yes. So let's write it down. This is equals to 3, half of 6. So let's write these things in the figure. BC is 3 and AD is also radius, that is 6, correct? AB is 3. Now to find the value of DE, what we will do, we will join 2 points. Let's see which 2 points are these. First, I will be joining point F and point B. Okay, point F and point B. After this, I'll be joining point E and point C. Okay, let's join point E and point C. So we have joined point E and point C. Okay. Let's come back to the figure and understand few basic things. Please see that line segment DE is touching the small circle at point F. It is touching the small circle at point F. Yes. If it is touching the small circle, that means it is acting as a tangent. Now you must know one rule, that is radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. Yes. Now using this rule, BF will be perpendicular to DF, correct? If these two are perpendicular, that means this angle, please look at the figure, this angle will be 90 degrees, correct? After this, we will be using one rule related to circles, that is any triangle in a semicircle, in a semicircle is a right triangle. Yes, I hope you know this rule. You must have learned this in your class. That is why angle E will be 90 degree. Yes, angle E will be 90 degree. These two angles are 90 degree each. Correct? After this, let's see what can be done. Let's go to right triangle DFB. Okay. In this right triangle, we will be applying Pythagoras theorem. Okay. We will be applying Pythagoras theorem. According to this theorem, df square plus bf square will be equals to db square. Correct? Now, what is df? We don't know. What is bf? Bf is radius. So, this will be 3. Let's write it down. 3 square. What is dB? If you look carefully in the figure, dB is sum of dA and AB, that is 6 plus 3, 9. Now, if we solve this further, we will get dF square is equals to 81 minus 9. That will give us 72. Correct? Now, what will be dF? dF will be under root 72. Correct? Which will give us 6 root 2. Okay, so the value of df is 6 root 2. We will be using this. After this, let's move to the last step of the solution. Last step of solution. Let's see what is the last step of the solution. In the last step of solution, we will be taking right triangle DFB and right triangle DEC. If you look at these two triangles, they both have 90-degree each angle, yes, and angle D is common to them. Now, if two angles in two triangles are same, the triangles are similar. The triangles are similar, yes. So these two triangles are similar to each other. Now, once the triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in equal proportions, yes. That means DF upon DE will be equals to dB upon dC. Correct? So let's use this to find the value of dE. Now, what is dF? dF, we just found out dF is 6 root 2. What is dE? dE we need to find out. And dB. What is dB? dB is 9. What is DC? DC is the diameter of the bigger circle, that is 12. So let's simplify this. 3 times 3, 3 times 2, 3 times 4. That means if we solve this further, we will get dE as 8 root 2. This will be the length of dE that we need to find out. This will be our final answer. So the length of dE that we need to find out here is 8 root 2. I hope you have understood the solution well. So if you have understood it well, please like the video, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.